today we're going to be doing a STEAM activity. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Today the STEAM activity that we will be doing is called the Magic Magnet Wand Project. This project is ideally for pre-K to first graders. Now what we're going to be doing today, this project deals with force. A force is anything that pushes or pulls on an object. Now there's several different types of forces. An example of a force would be gravity. Gravity is what keeps us on the ground. Another example of a force would be friction. Friction is whenever two objects rub up against each other. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this Magic Magnet Wand project. What you're going to need is a cup of some kind, or you can also use a water bottle or anything that has a lid or can be covered up. So you're going to have a clear cup. You can have a lid. I like to use lids because they're the easiest to use. Or you can also use saran wrap with a rubber band, or if you have a water bottle, of course, you're going to use the cap. So what you're going to do and need for this project is you're going to need a tongue compressor, a small magnet. I personally prefer 19mm magnets because they fit just perfectly on the tongue compressors. So our next step is you're going to take your pipe cleaner that you're also going to need, and you're going to cut it into about 1-inch pieces. Now you're going to need parents. You're going to need to help your kids with this part because it's a little, you can cut yourself. You're going to do this until the whole pipe cleaner is gone. Now you can be creative and use as many colors as you want. And once you've done this, you should have about 13 pieces of pipe cleaners that you're going to put in your cup, like so, or in your water bottle, whichever you're going to use. And then you're going to put the lid on it. If you're using a lid, be sure it snaps on tightly so that way it's not going to come off. Once you do this, we're going to start making our magic wands. So you're going to take your tongue compressor, looks just like this, and you're going to take your magnet. What you're going to do, this is the part you're going to have to use hot glue, so you're going to need a parent's help. So you're going to put a little dab of hot glue right here at the top of the tongue compressor. Then you're going to press the magnet onto that area and hold it there until it dries. Once that's done, you should have a perfectly good magic wand. So this is our final step. What you can do to challenge your students or kids, you can move the magnet and maybe try to get them to get all the pipe cleaner pieces up to the top without flipping it over or doing little tricks to get it there. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.